What's up, everybody? This is Demo Aurelius. Those that know me, you know me. And those that don't. This is Roxy, and yes, I still have her. Got Fat Girl in 2008. Been through a few Mazdas. Jenny's gone. That was my Mazda 3. Milton, not mine. Thrustmaster's coming out with a new wheel. Those that know, they know. I've been looking out for this for years. T598 almost got, but because they didn't have the compatibility for PlayStation, I held out, which is a good thing because now you get a whole bundled kit, $500. We'll have to get a clutch pedal, but it being separated like the what is it? The Fanatic CLS or CSL pedals from the DDs. You can invert them. You can mount them however you want to mount them. So that's a good thing. Started off with this a G27 back in my GT6 days, 2015, clutch pedal. Then I went to my Thrustmaster. It overheats. In 2018, now I'll be getting the new wheel, probably sometime in November, probably. Got some things to take care of. Trying to figure out this moving situation. Released a few projects, and they were all mixed in here. So if you listen to them, that would be Mama's Right, some scattered just to get stuff out, Little Buddies, and I think there was one more. Anywho, they were all mixed in here. So it all sounds bad, and everything's a demo until I finish recording it. And Hunt was recorded in here. Hunt was written back in, I think, the 1990s, 1998, 99-ish. But I'm talking too much. But this is going to be monumentous for Thrustmaster. I started off with my T300 base. Ouch. And with that base, I bought a Ricmotech steering hub. And with that hub, on Roxy's old wheel, steering wheel, is a 350. So now I'm in the process of wondering if I should find that hub before I leave, because it's upstairs in the crawl space amongst some other stuff that's going to be going. I still haven't started this car, and the Hurricane has been gone. I don't want to start it up because she smokes like be damned. She's been sitting for almost 6 months. So, I mean, if you're a rotary owner, you know. Heavy premix. Sorry, I got distracted. Whiplash accident. Took my Mazda 3. Jenny halfway crippled me, so I have a stutter and try to figure out what I'm trying to say. So, I'll fall off on subjects and, you know, may think I'm remedial, but I'm not. I'm an IFP, so that's another narrow divergence that you got to deal with. But the wheel situation, I want to get another 350, but doing that will take away the torque, and that's what you want the T598. But I don't want to use it with a drive hub. But with that being said, I might be updating and posting some more gameplay via my old channel, or I might just take it over on this. I I've got to figure out how to record my Assetto Corsa gameplays. I played Gran Turismo 7 since the new graphics, and like I say, I've been here for about 3 weeks and just started using the wheel again. They broke the physics with the new update. I'm not happy, but hey, gotta learn it. And once I get the Thrustmaster wheel, direct drive, I'll be able to tell a hell of a lot more than my T300 that likes to go zzz, and you lose the force feedback and you can't feel certain things. So I'm going to end with this. I'm going to try to start this fat girl in the next 2 days. We're waiting for rain. I'm waiting for rain. But pretty soon, I will possibly release some more videos. And if you're interested, say yeah. Comment, whatever. Subscribe, whatever. It really doesn't matter to me, but I'll give you some advice, possibly on some of my other videos of me working on this heap of steel and technological uh-ohs, and y'all stay safe.